The Tough Guy Model 2000 is an example of Halogen Lighting Products' determination to be the leader in the industry. This fixture, like all our other products, is designed to withstand the harshest machine environments. Again, we have a 5.5-inch diameter head, providing the illumination angle of 34 degrees. It's fitted with a 70-watt 24-volt bulb. All the features of the previous, old reliable fixture are the same, but not only is the head waterproof and coolant proof, but the arms, joints, and base are. The electronic transformer has been replaced by a very dependable ferrous core wound transformer in a hermetically sealed base. The head is one-piece molted. This eliminates any possible leakage. It has hand knob adjustment. No tools or wrenches are required to tighten and loosen the head. This eliminates areas for possible coolant leakage over time. We challenge you to find a higher quality machine tool lighting fixture in North America. At the same time, our pricing remains below competition. While the Tough Guy 2000 may not be perfect for your application, as you can see behind me, we have a variety of sizes and configurations of halogen lighting to meet your needs. We have 2.5-inch heads as well as 5.5. We have base-mounted heads to 34-inch long arms. We have gooseneck types, and our wattages range from 20 to 75 watts. In short, Halogen Lighting Products carries a full line of quality halogen lighting fixtures at excellent pricing to meet your lighting requirements.